Hi, it's Happy Mail Day. My husband gets me the Graphic 45 card kit every month, and it's such a lovely kit. So I'm going to open it with you. He pulls this for me because sometimes my arthritis causes me trouble opening packages. So this is February 2023. You always get this nice little package to keep everything in while you're making your cards. They also have a kit, which a lot of times it's an album, sometimes it's it's a bigger kit. It has, instead of the 8x8 pages, it has 12x12. So this is called Flower Market. Oh, and there's all kinds of pretty flowers, and there's a calendar for each one. So this is going to be kind of pretty to work on this month. Now remember, these are cards, and sometimes, most of the time I make some of the cards, but I also do other things with them. Oh, they have a little pin. It's Flower Market the whole way around, and then a real pretty little flower in the middle. Oh, that's pretty. I will wear that. It comes with instructions how to make your cards, and they generally make 6 cards. This comes with a pack of ivory cards and envelopes. Oh, they're very nice. They're 5.5 by 5.5. Very nice, the card and the envelope. And then it comes with the Flower Market Collection flower assortment. This is really fun because these you make into flowers. And I don't know if you can see it on this card. They've already made one of the flowers. It's just kind of rolling it and gluing it. So that's going to be kind of fun. Oh, look at those. Those are pretty. Okay. And then it comes, this kit came with the journaling cards, which there's a picture of all the journaling, the cards that come with it, and you'll use that to make some of the cards. This is such a lovely kit. I am half tempted to go ahead, and you can order kits one at a time, or you can get them as a subscription, and my husband got me the subscription for the card kits, and I love it. I look for it's a present every month for me. But you can also buy them singly, and they're big kit. This is $35 for the card kit. The bigger kit is $50, and I am half tempted to get this in the bigger kit, or at least just the paper. Just the paper might be enough for me to play with and have fun with. But I'm going to go ahead. Tonight I will probably make a couple of these cards according to their directions, and then I'll come back with another video to show you what I've done. You've seen some of my other videos where I take their kits and make projects with them, and one of the last projects we did was the shadow window box, because the shadow window box was out of stock, and so I went and measured everything on one of the ones that I had, the old shadow window boxes, and I went ahead and figured out how to make that for myself. So if things go out of stock, then I know how to make the kit myself, and I do that with their cards also. I measure everything, and then I have a little booklet that I keep all of that information in. And when I want, it's kind of like this, and I put tags on it so that I can open it up, but the other one's almost full, so I've started making this one for the next time. I keep all of the measurements and pictures of how to put them together. So we are doing cards throughout the month. We do a lot of big projects, and I hope you have a lot of fun when you come and join me. I have a lot of fun doing this, and I appreciate all of you who have subscribed. I would ask that you go ahead, if you're enjoying my channel, please subscribe. It helps me. I don't have any. I have links to Amazon, but I don't get any remuneration for anybody that goes there and buys something that I've linked. I don't have associate links with anyone. So, and even if I did, you don't get charged for that. Amazon does that, they give me a little, well, they don't give me a little kickback, but anybody that has affiliate links, they get kickbacks, and I don't have that in my channel. I wish you happy crafting, and we have several projects lined up through March. If you have something that you really like and would like to see if I could help you recreate it, go ahead and send me a link down in one of my videos, and we'll do our best. Can't always promise, but we'll do our best. Thank you for joining me today for my Happy Mail Day, and I hope I see you again. Bye-bye.